jail. That isn't substantial because
they're going to TikTok. Guys, not every song many dance challenge. Why guys? Isagalami alidini idance. Nangoba ingoma yokuthi nidlale sichile kamnandi. Yabona dance challenge. And he came like Beto, I love when African leaders like they stand for themselves. Like I know Guti is it Ubani? Thomas Sankara, no Gaddafi are really proud of these African leaders. That's why I'm coming you know what you want to be done to you for you to feel satisfied. So you do it to another person. And because the other person is also a woman, they also know what they want that makes them feel satisfied. So I feel like it makes sense.
Alright, so my thing is everyone has a confession about wonke umuntu unayo laa nto athi eyi akumelanga ngitshele abantu, right? Uyangithola ne?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start something like varsity confession. Ne? Abantu will send us voice notes and or text. We're gonna share our WhatsApp numbers for them to send us confessions up. But I want us to confess first.
Oh, it starts at home.
Exactly my point.
It starts at home.
So you're gonna start for us, right?
Why can't I mean out of all people guys like we're gonna call people no matter
why
you want to give a secret?
We introducing you to the people. So introduce yourself.
Okay.
And the confession.
Exactly.
Let me check. Okay, I do have a confession. I don't know if it's a confession or what, but okay, guys, don't judge. We listen.
Collega,
we don't
judge. Yes.
Exactly. Okay, guys, I'm straight.
Okay.
I'm straight. But there's a point where I had a crush on a woman. Not from high school, like from grade 10, 11, 12. Then I realized grade 12 actually I like her. I would say I like her like but I'm like I like her. Girl. Because not the crossing parts, but I think like it's like what develop my feelings. Obviously I'm like, girl, you straight. What's happening now?
I mean, you know what? I highly believe that you can't cross things out until you've experienced them. Until you experience being with a woman, then that's when you'll know about, okay, do I like women or not? Until you've been with a man. Guys.
But
well,
but it's funny, because I have friends who are gays, not friends or gays, lesbian, So but they find like I know you don't want to talk about this, like sex with any domazan, it's more nicer than kayenza ngumfana.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, it makes. I think, especially if it's a woman who's experienced having sex with a man, they know more of what they want. I feel like something I don't want to talk. My mom is gonna watch this. My gogo is gonna watch this, guys. You know what you want to be done to you for you to feel satisfied. So you do it to another person, and because the other person is also a woman, they also know what they want that makes them feel satisfied. So I feel like it makes sense. I feel like it makes sense.
So when do you have?
Want
to say something?
Yeah, I'm gonna go say. I feel like at some point, because I don't like men, guys. I like men, but I don't like men. If you're a woman and you're willing to teach me how.
Yes.
Jokes.
No one watches Land, so feel free.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Well, I guess to see, but do you have a confession to make? Oh, you want me to confess to you?
I don't think I have a
What's I'm
confession.
gonna confess for you?
I shame.
Give you credit
I'd
and
rather let you talk because I don't think I have a confession.
About that guy
Yeah. Zakal.
on Instagram,
What guy? What guy, Viva? What guy?
the one with the there
Ayim.
and there.
Is it a famous guy?
Mm.
Is it a famous guy?
Cut the show. Cut the show.
Oh, we cut the part.
We can't
No, we don't cut. Here we are raw here.
No,
No filter.
What? That's true. Your confession. Can you please get your confession, Leo? 'Cause
Anyways,
I don't
guys,
know what he's talking about. I don't know.
anyways, yeah, let's go to the intro part. Yeah.
Your confession, please.
No, after the intro, don't worry.
Okay.
Guys, I feel like Ningeta
He's
is
rubbed
a guinea pig.
He's rubbed.
Ningeta guinea pig.
Anyways, guys, I am your host with the most, Umlibo, ne? And I'm here with.
What's up, Zitano? It is a Unified babe. I hope babe reporting to you like it's cutie because why not?
And
As Ningeta guinea pig, but it's fine. Sanwenani nonke emukelayo igama usilindile isibongo ngowakangwabe intombi emnyama futhi esiphenyayo ngalokho. Amen.
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 Hallelujah. And behind the camera, we have like Unjabulo and I. So please just introduce yourself.
Yeah. What's up, people? It's Ndax James on the right here on your television screen, guys. Utopian Blood. And I see Wayne somewhere.
Yeah, you went
Unfortunately, guys.
somewhere.
I
Which
see a
one?
Zoom.
I see.
I see a Zoom.
Introduce yourself, G. Anyway,
What's good? What's happening, everybody? This is what I see. I the never else but next to be your girl, but you know what it is.
Oh,
So yeah, I'm
we're
behind the
not
camera
sure about
today.
that.
I'm behind the camera, not in front. So guys, yeah, it's the crew.
Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, we are on the road to 1K, ne?
hey.
Yeah. So I want us to.
Round of applause.
So I want us to just reflect, ne? Just a bit, or like on our journey to 1K. How was it for Wena?
Okay, well, for me personally, hey, it's been tough.
To work with me, ne?
No.
Oh. I just want
Working
to
with
take
you have
it.
been good, but it's just that the journey to building something is very hectic. You know, it has its ups and downs, but overall, it's been great. I feel like what makes the experience amazing overall is the fact that we all have a passion to what we're doing and we really put our hearts into it today. So it's been great. I've met a lot of amazing people. I'm working with amazing people, so it's been a great journey. Yeah, it's been great. I'm just
It just arrived.
but okay, but Usli, when did you start watching the podcast?
Last year, was it the first episode? I don't know. Leah Ayalang.
No,
It wasn't the first episode
Oh
actually.
yeah, I think ngaqala ngayo ngabuya kumkani ngabuya othembele lo mja neyambuzi bani
but you
wangismayilela ngamsmayilela because mina if ungismayilele like ngiyaknowledge ngismayile wangicela inamba yami ngamnika uthi why usmayilela I'm like ngiyakwazi bra uthi no ungazi singathetha I'm like wena ngiyakwazi ngamuzwa kwi-podcast indlela akhuluma ngayo and futhi everybody knows ukuthi I'm a comrade, I behave so
I
like
behave as
crazy.
Photo, you're catching straight, my brother.
well,
Photo.
when I'm just quick.
Hey, it's hard working with Umlibo, guys. Umlibo yangihlupha. I'm joking now.
I found your girlfriend, Baba. What do you mean?
Confessions.
I'm Umlibo.
Confessions.
Who's the girlfriend?
No,
Nah,
it's not a girlfriend actually. Like I found someone So we went to event Tuesday, Nyakumula, yeah. So there were like some girls.
Aye,
that-
aye.
But that was
Aye.
for him.
Yeah, that was last
No, I
year.
feel like this is not valid because it was last year. Carry on.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah,
Nah.
Carry on, Jeff.
That wasn't you, wasn't
That's
you?
old.
Nah.
That's your.
Yeah, it's old stuff. But guys, it's been good, man. It's been nice working with everyone. You know, we have a chill crew here. You know, we have a family, and yeah, man, hoping to continue this journey with this wonderful family. Even though Umlibo, what was how to see Logic down.
Bengathandile.
Mtakapao, yeah, Umlibo Mtakapao, yeah. Umlibo, how has your journey been with the crew?
With me, bro, like I don't know, like it was nice, bro, because I'm an introvert, bro.
Okay,
Cap.
optional, but self-made introvert,
Okay.
self-proclaimed introvert.
Okay, like I'm not used like to be out there, like especially like socially, bro, or like Facebook, Instagram, zonke and then.
Social media.
So kumbe into yokuqala bendiyenza, yabo. And yeah, it was hard, yabo. Like to start something from fresh, yabo. Like you don't have good following on Facebook, Instagram, yabo. You're starting it from a but yeah, here we are.
Even in place, yeah.
Going forward.
Even in place, yeah.
Any girls watholile like bo Andy Nondoni.
Kuruma.
Bruh.
I'm still talking about house, but you.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
Now
Like,
like,
it's about your trading.
Yeah, come on, dude. But they're like talking about karaoke, like karaoke, the podcast. Like, first of all, I just want to say, yeah, first, I'm going to rest here, you know,
Yeah.
to be talking about you don't do a podcast, and I said, oh, then we come rest, so we can work something out. And then from there we started about 9 games now, but then as the year went by, I mean, progress like more now. The only problem was there massive Yokomo recess.
Yeah,
That's when the situation started to, you know, like more and progress is paused and stuff. But then the journey has been good. Positive energy puts in us all, okay? And we got a new cousin like cool man, but you know, so we are growing, we're expanding, we're expanding, guys. I mean, it's an honor to work with each and every one of you.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah, man. And it's true, like we're growing now because we also have t-shirts now available for about what I buy, yabo. And it's like they are quite like for guilty because she doesn't have a t-shirt, man. So yeah, we have like t-shirts available and it's only like it's reasonable. It's 150, né?
Ngayithenga i-t-shirt guys. Phuma ematyaleni.
Chin. Hypo. 150 ka.
Ngizoyithenga, ngizoyipromota uma sengiyithengile futhi.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it was amazing, né?
Yeah.
To those who are not subscribed, make sure they do subscribe.
Please, we want to get to 100K. What the 800s now? I mean, we want to get 100K
Yeah,
safely.
yeah, even 100K.
For
man.
now,
We want to start with
1K.
Yeah.
Yeah. We want to start with 1K. So please, guys, do the most. Tell a friend. Please.
Yeah. Abazali. Kumele babe
Abazali akumele bamukele kanye.
conflict of interest.
Why sifundisa abazali guys? Abazali abastike to traditional media, ababuke i-television guys, generation shota ngama-views.
Ne?
Hey, talking about generation views, did you see who Tutuli Pangolo is? Back with generation.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She's back on generations, in which I honestly feel like, ne, for Utuli nje as a person, I feel like it is a very great way to make her very relatable. Because I feel
Yeah.
like when she was Unamhla, she was a normal person to us. She seemed like a relatable person that we understand. But then when she shifted from the acting into being, she kind of became a mysterious baddie.
Oh yeah.
For me,
Oh.
she became a very mysterious baddie. Yabo, now yeah, DJ, but still very unreachable. Yabo.
Yeah.
Even the moves that she was making after she got into the DJing scene, influencing scene, I feel like her moving to Generation is going to make her more of a person, man. Like a normal person. Yeah, but yes, she'll still be a celebrity. She's an actor, you know. Some people didn't know Uguti she had that in her, and so I feel like it's a good move, even for Generation. Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
And also I feel like like a confusion kwabantu abangazi ukuthi ena before she was an influencer, she's an actor, because there's this thing ukuthi ena people are mad ukuthi influencers are now on television, they're acting like that.
Yeah.
I think it's a confusion. Guys, she's been an actress before influencing.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
And
her
she's a great actress.
And she had a
Yeah, she is. That
she
she
did
is.
she especially considering the storyline that she carried, because Kumbula, I remember her storyline, she was dating a teacher. A school teacher.
Yeah.
That was a very
Yeah.
powerful storyline. So
And also, she also
Yes,
dated,
yes.
I think it was a foreigner, like a foreign guy.
yeah, but so she
During the
really
season
she was not just any actor. She really attacked very serious and impactful ills or social ills in our communities. So I feel like her tapping back into notice.
And I also like that. So it's Bambuyi is for character development, because like I love
there's a
when
lot
a
that
character
she can-
development.
I have an
on
unpopular
screen.
opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel as if Mfundi Buddha is using her
For views.
for
Valid.
views.
Yeah.
Now I personally feel like that, which is why I said it's a great move for Generations.
Yeah.
Like in terms of
To be
views,
honest,
it's because there's a lot of, as I said, she turned into like a mysterious person. There's a lot of people Amantanda, Utuli Pongolo, the DJ, the influencer, but they're not getting that much. They're just seeing pictures and videos and all of that. So seeing her as an actor will make them even fall in love even more with
Yeah, because
Utuli
there's
Pongolo.
a like
Great move for
everything
Generation.
that
Love it for them, because I didn't even know that. I was shocked that Generations in Desekoi. So love it for them,
Yeah.
sweetie. They must capitalize on it as much as they can.
Yeah, because there are guys like Nanomte, like we know nothing about Unamhla.
Imagine.
Utul as
He does. He does.
yeah,
Those times when a lot of people were
Unamhla was
watching.
in our screens at a time where all of us were still very captivated
Yeah.
on television screens. Yeah.
Yeah, when actually television was
Was still
Yeah,
television.
yeah.
So bringing back her to our screens will definitely bring back those people. Because there's those people who stopped watching television or stopped watching specifically Generations, but trust and believe those people will come back.
Yeah, that's why Bambuis are not check. Because basically House of Zite and Bambuis, I think like they're trying to get people back.
Yeah. Speaking of going back to TV, our girl is going back to TV. Oh, Aya Lang. But
congrats.
I'm not gonna mention the soapy. I will.
Congrats! Like,
Yeah.
congrats.
No, I'm
No,
not.
but you mind it, guys? What's wrong with me saying congrats? Come on, guys.
No. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna mention.
Is it? But I think I have it like a night.
Yeah.
But let me just talk.
She's one of the main characters going to soap. Season 2, yeah. On ETV.
Nice.
Who watches ETV?
I know people do watch shows on ETV, guys. They actually.
Oh, guys, we were talking about Generations now. No one watches Generations. Who watches
ETV Bible, obviously, like in
But genuinely,
I go ETV. That's why
I don't watch TV. I watch YouTube.
Mineka Bible ETV. So game bon, guys, ETV uyabuka. I think it's Sita, the smoking mirrors.
Okay.
The scandal.
Okay.
Listen to Ziabuka.
Yeah, but for instance, I know those names, even though I don't watch
But you don't
ETV,
watch.
but those names,
She probably doesn't know what is the era of ETV.
Congrats, Aya girl.
Say it like you mean it, bro.
She does.
Okay.
Fine, I do.
It's Rafil. Can we talk about Uzimamalo and Uapiwe Naledi? Ne? So, when was it? I think two months back there was a beef in Yana. I don't know what was the beef all about, but it was a beef. But now they are cool. We saw them like
Was
exchanging.
it like a beef enjoyable now, or it was like
I think yes,
fans
it's
curated?
yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes as is they're curated by fans, honestly. They
Yeah.
just
So,
And
so
because I kill my beef and gecko, guys.
yeah,
Yo,
so
finally after we cook man 70 beef, guys, yo, what the last
I'm from Tatagai.
no, the thing is that especially if it was just like a fan-inflicted conflict, then I feel like it's something that we can just dwell on. Because, for instance, I didn't know that there was tension between them.
Okay, now let's talk about Uzine doing Umaskandi and Uapiwe doing Afrobeat.
Love it for them.
I love it for them. I feel like umaskandi bethu bazama looking at also manje, but bazama ukureacha ngikolisela because iqiniso bazama ukureacha amalo audience exactly fana no Karo did like
The chant, yeah.
I feel like they're trying to reach Amazulu, the Zulu people. Even so, it's a great move. Mahu. Yes, it's a great move, guys. It's actually a great move.
But now my thing is, look at Umahu manje after Ugush and stuff. I got some keeping moment because
I don't lie.
I
There's
then
a
you
new
go my
song.
keeping.
No, there's a new song.
There's a new song with
But
the
is
two
it
guys.
hot?
It's just that
It is. It's been hot even before it was released.
it's a hot song.
It's been hot.
It's just that I forgot the song.
I think it's Tutugan. I think it's part of the song. I'm not too sure.
Oh.
I even saw a performance. I think the is it Express or Express? I think it's a show on XFC.
No, she just dropped a song, but I feel like Umlibo Mhlambi, he's saying in terms of her dropping a project, because she's being featured, which also is a good thing, but
it wasn't
her song, yeah. She's
Yeah,
been
but she
getting
was a feature.
features. Yes.
I feel like one thing I'm an artist is laba my hits maker. They always get my hits, my feature.
Yes. Once they
drop
drop their own project, that's what happened.
People don't listen
That's what
to
happened to Limit Crazy.
Yeah.
Or what I realized.
Yeah.
If I'm say that's what happened.
Ah,
When he
Limit
released
Limit
his
is
album,
hot,
listen, he's
Eh,
hot, but when
come
he
on.
released the album, it didn't get as much attention as the songs that he had been dropping and the songs that he dropped after he dropped his album.
I'm a feature. That's the thing.
The features go far as compared to their own personal projects.
But it's only fair because like with features you feature the likes of Okamza.
Yes, it is
or
definitely a
Popo,
feature.
But I feel
and
like
they have
Imali,
listen.
Imali, ayizi kwena yonke ama-royalties.
That's the problem. I feel like if you're a big
percentage.
yeah, but if you're a big person like Ukabza or Maparisa or whoever, if I work with you, we're gonna work with you for your song, and then now I must go home with something. No, my pitnyana, vesnyana from Matuman, something that I can put into my own personal project. Don't limit the relationship to that feature and Jens Leonard. The person must be able to also invest into something also Jens Aweka. Because at the end of the day,
benefits so
but at the end of the day, now where you want to get where they are. I feel like artists they don't do that.
Okay,
It's an opinion.
It's an opinion.
but the fact remains Uzi is better than
Don't even mention. Don't even mention Uba is better than who.
Ubani, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We hit maker go to she's doing great. We
Yeah.
love it.
But my fear was I have a problem with artists shifting genres,
I don't mind.
Diversity
now,
is good.
when you go
There's
back,
nothing wrong with that.
like when you go back to genre, like your original genre, Now, so irrelevant ebantwini because we know you for ugushi for
guys musani kulimit ama-artist muyi-artist bethu iba broad iba versatile musani kwalimit ama-fans alimit ama-artist that's why uthola ukuthi omunye angaba good kwenye i-genre kodwa ngoba especially hip hop artist yabo like uNasty C kanje senimlimitile-ke kwi-hip hop uNasty C EP yakhe eyokugcina senda kuyirelease inobupiano
very
vibes
diverse.
exactly guys musani
Even the artists our feature Leo in the
kodwa
project.
ngisho zinqumalo kuyona
Dali
Amifa
Wonga.
Dali Wonga. It was
So-
a great project such that people slept on it because no one was talking about it. I hate that. Like guys, it was a great project.
yeah, people will only talk about into yakho when it's hot.
Not really. Yes, there are some projects or some songs that
No,
just
you
grow
guys are getting
organic.
up against me. Oh,
We
go
are
and tell
not.
no.
We are not. Yes, sometimes people don't make noise. Now, one thing I've learned now is to look at the numbers of the songs that I listen to. Like I look at the numbers, what's going on, and sometimes you realize, well, okay, yes, this song is not big on your TikToks and Instagram, whatever. But when I look at the numbers, when I go listen to the song, it's doing big.
Enye into futhi
Like it's
sihlala
doing
nokuthi
big on the
once
numbers.
Ted?
Which is why artists do music in jail that isn't substantial because they do TikTok music.
nalento leyo ukuthi guys not every song kumele ibe ne-dance challenge kade ngibuka le ngoma khona le ngoma le isaka lami why guys isaka lami alidingi i-dance
Isaka
la
doesn't
ngoba
need
ingoma
dance
yokuthi
challenge.
nidlale sichile kamnandi yabona
There's a dance challenge,
singayenzi challenge
Magalezi.
guys.
And he came to Durban and he did a dance challenge.
no I guys no I
Magalezi akankulu wakho sifuna ama-challenge wakhona please.
as uncle
Yeah,
waffles
yeah, yeah.
Sure, yeah, that's
But-
Vela, that's her wave. Vela, that's her wave.
Yeah.
So yeah.
i-dance challenge guys iyayiruina artist ngoma
Exactly.
No,
but it's,
man,
it's
but
people need the numbers, that's the thing. He needs the song
Yeah.
to go, and it
that's
has
why they do dance challenges.
in
man.
this
Yeah.
but TikTok doesn't pay African creators. So what's the point of ufuna ukuba nama-numbers amakhulu TikTok?
Because from TikTok you go to like your
to stream the
Spotify,
song.
yabo.
Yeah. you
Sometimes
go to
kuyenzeka ube nama-big numbers on TikTok, then people go to listen to Spotify and then ingoma
stream.
iyabona.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
Another thing. Another thing.
Kumnandi nje.
Another bad thing about TikTok songs is the fact that when you go actually listen to the actual songs, hey, it's not what you got from TikTok.
Yeah, but that clip, that small
But
is
they,
the one that
they
you listen
take
to.
the small snippets
Yeah.
that they know which okay it'll attract people, and then they post it on TikTok. And then when you go actually listen to the song, it's
Enye futhi into umuntu mhlawumbe aposte i-snippets before I-release ingoma sibe mnandi i-snippet sengoma then when you listen to the song mase seyikhiphile i-quality ayisafani
Scott Mapuma does that a lot. Like calling Goma Brian Lindleka Scott and be like, it's let me tell you. I'm sure you saw it. Yeah, why am I keeping?
yeah, they don't release songs. I don't understand. But talking about releasing songs, Tuxin just released a project.
and also
Have you guys listened to it?
Do we wanna talk about Tuxin?
How
That's that.
I'm
That's
just
that. That's that.
let me I'm just putting the puzzles together but let
no,
me
the others released a song.
yes the callers
What did you
guys
say?
they
On
released
someone's
oh guys
story?
ngiyawathanda amakola excuse me
What did you see
The
on someone's story?
no
Spoilers
amatrailer
released
areleasile
an
guys
album.
i-album
Oh,
egalini
okay.
imnandi guys lalelani khona i-trap khona lo shuna abakhuphuka ngayo khona abayibiza ngokuthi it's R&B R&B
Oh, okay.
like ngiyayithanda imelody bafethu like it's a great project
Balaz, ne?
yeah Magwenya.
Yeah, I try to reach out to them, for them to come to the podcast, but
ike abasejozi bra
I was about to say, are they in Durban?
basejozi
They're from
they
Durban,
do
though.
yeah but
they
they're
are
not
from
from
Durban.
Durban not all of them but they're from KZN
yeah, but here we're pushing the culture as a Durban, and they are from here. At least they could
But they're not
reply,
here.
yabo.
inkinga
But
abekho
They're
babekhona.
not here. So
Oh, Babekhona.
Babekhona.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You could
because last year they had Goldfontein la probably not this year bazoyenza and I wanna go, guys. Like,
Yeah, it's Cotton Fest also today. Do you guys
Today?
is it here in
Yeah.
Devon? Oh,
Maybe.
is
It's
it
Cotton
yours?
Fest today.
Yeah, ngibonile.
And wabona ama-artist lawo lapha kangakanani?
Ngibonile even Devon
Ngihlala
artists
lapha.
khona ngibabonile ngibazi like shout out, especially uDusa Wavy, guys. I listen to Dusa Wavy and ngibonile like shout out.
Apparently, he doesn't want to come to the pause.
Yeah.
Anyazi leyo.
How wave?
Yeah, I'm not gonna
I just
lie. I don't
arrived.
listen to him.
I just arrived, guys. Ukhiphile isimo ukuthi bengaso isikhathi sokelalela. So, guys, mina ngiyathanda umculo wakhe.
Mna ndimlalela umculo wakhe.
Okay, wow. Wow. Why? Is there a specific reason or you just don't?
Yeah, because he doesn't wanna come to our pod. Bruh, if you don't believe,
No, listen.
Ushilo wathi cha ngeke ngikwazi.
he was supposed to come.
Okay.
Then on the day he was supposed to come, just smized us.
Really?
Yeah.
We can fish better.
Imagine.
Akabuyela ngachaza izinto.
no,
Do
I
say
don't
wait,
hear.
no, listen, we
Do
can
better.
fix this.
We can, yes, we
You
can
know,
fix this.
we can fix this. We can
fix
still
this,
come to the
yes.
pod, you know.
Next week.
We
no.
understand things happen. Things
We support
happen.
each other,
You
guys.
know,
We support each other
Things
as
happen.
artists.
It's okay. We understand.
We got busy as an artist, and then it's linked as well.
Are you talking to him, Lee?
Huh?
Are you talking to him?
To him.
Yeah, we are
No, I
putting
stopped.
text. Oh.
Because one mice, what's the point for me like kubeleke nimfonela nimtext?
No, it's okay. We understand. Something
Busy,
happened.
guys. Busy.
He's
Yeah.
gonna redeem himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna redeem himself. But talking about redemption,
Mm-hmm.
we were supposed to get a VAT increase and it was reversed.
By ANC.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like how
My question is, if they are rejecting it, who introduced in the first place? Yabo?
So I feel like the fact that they came up with a notion, first of all, the ANC, and there were political parties that conditionally accepted the decision, right? But obviously they were overnumbered or outvoted by the number of political parties that didn't support the decision, right? And people were very concerned about the fact that that is increasing, right? But I feel like they weren't concerned enough. Yes, they showed their concern, they showed that they weren't happy, but it was just that. It was the political parties that fought for the position that we are in now, in which it has been reversed. But I feel like South African people, they don't fight. They are very quick to accept situations, even though they know that they're not going to favor them or they're going to make them, or they're going to impact their standard of living. They just quickly accept, which I feel like is not actions of a country that claims to be a democratic country. Yeah, that's how I feel about the
Government is, guys, we as in like I don't like South African leadership. I don't like how they handle things. Guys, we have Captain Ibrahim Traore. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a president of Burkina Faso. The changes that is making in the country.
Hey, the fact that he's so young.
The fact that firstly he's young, and also like Betu, like Evangel, like he's preaching Pan-Africanism, like in the country. I think education, Pan-Africanism,
Oh, yeah.
Ubambisana kwama-Afrika,
What's that
Phelelana
mean?
and everything kwama-Afrika. So guys, ngiyayithanda lento ayenzayo, and also no president wase-Namibia, and I also love the fact that she's a woman president wakhona, and the changes that she's making, like ikhombisa bravery, because education yakhona in tertiary and universities it's going to be free for 2026. And also ukhanselile ukuthi ama-Americans afike without ama-visas in
Thank
Namibia.
you.
Nase Burkina Faso, that also like ngazuthi bane-vision ecishe ifane, and I love that ukuthi we're moving forward as Africans sifuna ukuyimela, because eBurkina Faso ukhanselile ukuthi izinto zase-America eziza in the country, like ama-second hands azodayiswa akhona. Uthe siyabonga, thank you. Osha ama-French troops, thank you. Like Fetu, I love when African leaders, like, they stand for themselves. Like, I know ukuthi is it Ubani? Thomas Sankara,
Thomas Sankara.
no Gaddafi are really proud of these African leaders. Ngathi bangakhombisa no cupcake ukuthi, bruh, this is the way.
I feel like we have the potential to take the power away from the people who hold the power right now.
Exactly.
The problem is that we give them the power so much that so that they think that it can't be taken away from them. I feel like we've proven it with the past elections that we can actually rip away all the power that ANC has. And I feel like in this 5 years that we have now, we should gather more motivation or enough motivation to take them out in the following elections. Because these people are doing nothing but serve us.
And also from Ipoint Lelo show and Ubushi Kote from Captain Ibrahim Traore. Ute they labeled us as the poorest continent in the world. And we asked them to leave, they refuse.
Exactly. Why are you dwelling in the land that won't serve?
Exactly, because guys, everyone knows that we are rich in minerals.
Yeah.
That's why they're here.
Even Trump knows, ne?
Even in our land, that we have the most beautiful land.
Oh, when it comes to Trump, guys.
What's depending on
Because China and Trump, because guys, he's a trauma MS, so I'm telling him 20 rands.
I think 16.
No, but you
Yeah,
feel.
before
I feel
1980.
like okay. But I feel like the Chinese have capitalized on Lando because there's certain companies or certain warehouses among Chinese who are not actually producing the actual products that they claim.
Yeah.
But they're going to capitalize on the platform or on the notion Yogbana. Because yes, it is known that they are the ones that produce, and then these big brands, they buy from them and then they do the logos and the labeling or whatever.
Yeah.
But there's not all of them are producing just like anyway or just like wherever when it comes to fashion and production or whatever. There's certain levels of quality. There are the ones that produce equality that is top notch that these brands buy. But there's middle, there's low class of these materials. And in this instance, when things are happening like this, even the brands that are producing equality that wouldn't be considered by those brands are going to come to us and say, this is the quality. This is where a Gucci buys from and you should buy from us. So I feel like if you really want to tap into that, buying from them and using this opportunity, use logic, basic logic of buying products.
Guys, in China is silly. I feel like in China,
but they're smart.
The thing is, I feel like in China, if you look with like African countries, if you look and like, okay, guys, let's work together. But at the end of the day, I feel like is colonizer.
No, I don't think
it's a theory.
I don't think China has a possibility, but I don't think they have the capability to be that big. Yes, their influence is big, but I don't think they'll reach a point of colonizing. I don't think they'll
colonization took years
and I don't think that IPO bas colonize. Come on now. Come on. There's no ways.
Oh, on a lighter note, before we close, are there like any brands, like local brands? Because like here we are about like documenting Black excellence, like promoting local brands. There's that. Like the called local brands that you wanna give a shout out to or artists.
Guys, I think SA Fashion Week, like I'm clips. It's just that I don't have like the actual buzz. I love I'm collections. I think there's my book. We look into like SA Fashion Week. It's currently happening.
It's currently happening. One thing about me, I love it. Fashion, I love it for them. The people who do it love it. But sometimes they don't understand. Some things just don't make sense to me, and I'm like, I love it for you, but I don't get it. It's not making sense, my darling. But definitely look out for that, guys. Support it. Then the local brand that I want you to support is to buy our t-shirts.
Buy the t-shirts, guys.
Of course.
And also support Mamelodi, guys. Finally, we care.
Mamelodi and Kaizer Chiefs,
They look like
kwi-Nedbank Cup mos.
ikhishiwe imamelodi ikhishwe yiKaizer guys ikhuluma ngeCAF ngisho ngathi ngalibuka ibhola
I don't
kuwa
care
ama-highlights
about
wathi mina ngiyalibuka ibhola
Hey, mna ndili-course for life.
siyawina ngomhla 10 obvious
No, wait,
Yeah,
don't think
siyawina.
Shakespeare.
Sorry ngipirates abantu
Don't
Eh,
take
obvious,
Shakespeare
shaye Pirates.
seriously.
Angeke.
bayikhiphe
Angeke.
kabuhlungu izolo ipirates yabantu
Pirates angeke
What was
ishaye.
happening?
ishawe iteam ethiwa i-pyramids like it's i-CAF it's like a tournament involve ama
Dominant,
football
clubs, yeah.
ase-Africa.
Africa, yeah.
So i-Pirates was unbeaten throughout the whole tournament and this team was the first to beat them and babashaya kwama-semi-finals and nakhona babakhipha because they were playing home. Yabo, it was that thing and the game like it was a tough one but yaphuma-ke i-Pirates so manje-ke yeah guys
So now I wanna give like a shout out to Spooky Club. Ne?
Yeah.
You know them, ne?
Yeah.
They are pushing like a brand yabo and culture. They are putting.
I saw
on,
them
like,
push a Red Bull man. They're
Yeah,
working with the
they
Red
are
Bull.
also like what I like about them. Ne? They are pushing like they are putting
And
on
also,
like
shout out
young
to-
artists. They are more.
shout out to Red Bull guys because I've seen them around campus like guys
Man, what's funny?
guys whining there I feel like bapusa on guys ama-artist nyani khona lezi zinto abayihlanganisayo guys whining there nasamaresi siyabobona
Keep it down, Red Bull. Keep it down, Red Bull.
Hey, bro. So this event, last time they were at campus, they invited us. Okay, can you please come like do your interviews like we always do? Now we went there. Now we have our demands, of course, but okay, if we interview you, we're gonna give you a Red Bull because since I don't Red Bull.
Okay.
Manje yo bra like sajikeleza icampus yonke sikhangela ne-Red Bull eyi-1
kanti why apho ma-Red Bull
until we left bra like we left we like fuck this.
Red Bull,
Yeah.
please.
apho ma-Red Bull
Yeah, you have to
Guys,
capitalize on Red Bull
Please.
now because they stingy with the Red Bull. No?
Ne?
Yeah. no,
why
no.
guys what's the point
And it's like the small ones, the cheap ones.
Bra ayibo.
So I.
So yeah, we like
but
guys,
it's
fuck
fly.
you.
But still, guys, I
Yeah.
still feel like Red Bull is still pushing. It's still,
Yeah, they are. for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
it's
They
still
are.
impacting. It's doing a very good job. But yes,
Guys,
there are
Red Bull
complaints
guys,
here and
guys,
there.
we found out.
But
Exactly,
still,
man.
Athletes are
Minimum-
cool, they have money guys
Yeah.
just wanna play.
And this guy like people should look out for or what's the name of those guys? Or Shezi? The guy with
Oh,
Yeah.
Ukhabazela nohlezi.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I love the
I saw them on
Basaso
Channel O.
sazi.
Did you
Yeah,
see them
yeah.
on channel?
I've
You see
seen
them on
last
Channel O?
year on Channel
Yeah.
O. I was really
They
proud
were
of
on
them.
Channel O,
Yes, they were.
Yeah. I love their
Basaso
ways.
Skaba guys, Basaso Skaba for real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, local is pushing, Shani.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Local is
yeah,
pushing.
pushing.
No, in Japan.
Asipushe nsi ithegu guys, alipushi ithegu guys, alipushi.
No, in Japan League. They didn't get in.
Oh,
Inja iyapusha inja guys.
Inja brands, yeah.
Yeah.
Inja clothing, ne?
Yeah.
You know the brand?
You know the brand? I do.
Amangaku.
I remember them.
Damn.
Them.
From?
It's a company, guys.
Nani guys, it's an entity, Mos.
Guys, it's
yes,
a company,
we are
Mosaico,
buzz.
it's a brand.
Yes.
It's him though.
Yeah.
Inja, the fearless one.
But I'm talking about the brand, not the owner of the brand.
Oh,
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, now,
Thank you
but
very
shout out to
much.
them, ne?
Yeah.
Inja clothing, yeah, but people, yeah, but hey, yeah, yeah. So yeah, guys, andikwazi uvalelisa
Soze kaloku sanumliva sana. Anyway, it's been a great episode, guys. It was nice. Gracing your screens once more. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. So please tell a friend to tell a friend. It's been amazing. It's been great. Please.
Yeah.
and shout out to Kulasande, do? The shootiest in her. The
shootiest.
Yeah. TikTok wako, ne? Kulasande, the shootiest. Please check him out, like on TikTok. Yeah,
Yeah. Shout out,
Great,
guys. Shout out.
Thank you.
yeah.
Bye.